Hi students, good morning to all. Today I will teach about trigonometric functions and their graphs. Trigonometric function and their graphs. Last time the same topic, trigonometric functions, I was using quadratic angles and domain and range of the trigonometric functions. Okay, right. Today the graph, sketch the graph of y equal to sin x. Y equal to sin x. Sketch the graph of y equal to sin x. Okay, right. First of all, let x is equal to x and y. X is domain and y is range. X is domain and y is range. Right. Let us take x is equal to 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. And sin 0, let us take x equal 0, then y equal to sin 0. Sin 0 value, how do you know? Sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. And sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. And sin pi is 0. Sin pi is 0. And sin 3 pi by 2, x equal to 3 by 2, substitute sin 3 by 2, so y equal to sin 3 by 2, sin 3 by 2 value is minus 1, sin 3 by 2 value is minus 1, and sin 2 pi, at x equal to 2 pi, then sin 2 pi is equal to plus 1, sin 2 pi is equal to plus 1, this is one complete rotation, 0 to 2 pi, so take 0 to 2 pi, this is one complete rotation. Right. Sketch a graph. X, Y. X, Y. Okay. Right. First of 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Left side, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, and so on, etc. Okay, right. Plot the points x equal 0 and y equal 0, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. This is 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0. Next, y is equal 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, right. We have x equal 0 and y equal 0. So 0 comma 0, first point 0 comma 0, and second one pi by 2 comma 1, pi by 2 comma 1, pi by 2 comma 1. X is pi by 2 and y is 1. So pi by 2 comma 1. Next, pi comma 0, pi comma 0, x equal to pi and y is 0, so pi comma 0. Next, 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1, 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1, so x is 3 pi by 2 and y is minus 1, point 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1, 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1, and 2 pi comma 1, 2 pi comma 1, x equal to 2 pi and y equal to 1, y equal to 1 above the x-axis, so y equal to 1, sorry, y equal to 0, y equal to 0, here sin 2 pi is 0, sorry, sin 2 pi equal to 0, right, but 2 pi comma 0, 2 pi comma 0, okay, right. Draw the graph, join the points. This is y equals sin x, y equal to sin x. Here 0 to 2 pi is one complete rotation. 0 to 2 pi is one complete rotation. And 0 to pi by 2 is increasing and pi by 2 pi is decreasing. Okay, right. But sine 0 is 0, sine pi by 2 is 1, sine pi is 0, sine 3 by 2 is minus 1, sine 2 pi is 0. Right, y equals sine x, the curve of y equals sine x is this one. Okay, right. This is one complete rotation. Next, let us take x equal to minus pi by 2. X equal to minus pi by 2. X equal minus pi by 2. Then y is equal to minus 1. Y equal to minus 1. Same, x equal to minus pi. Then y is equal to sine of minus pi is 0. Okay, right. This curve is extension. This is y equals sin x. This is y equal to sin x. Okay. Here, sin x, the domain of sin x is minus infinite to plus infinite. Already last class I teach that's a domain and range. Okay. So domain of sin x is minus infinite to plus infinite, and range of sin x, range of the function sin x is plus minus 1 to plus 1 only. Minus 1 to plus 1 only. Okay, right. Next, y equal to cos x. Y equal to cos x. Second one. Similarly, let us take x equal to 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and so on, etc. Let us take one complete rotation only, first one. Next, y equal cos x, so x equal to 0, then y equal to cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. Cos 0 value 1. Next, x equal to pi by 2, then cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. X equal to pi, then cos pi is equal to minus 1. X equal to 3 pi by 2, then cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Odd multiple of pi by 2. X equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, then cos x function is always 0. Okay, right. X equal to 2 pi, x equal to 2 pi, then y equal to cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi value is 1 plus 1. Cos 2 pi value is plus 1. Right. Let us take x axis and y axis. Right. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 2 pi, and so on, etc. Right. First of all, x equal to 0, then y equal to 1. The point, the required point is coordinate. X point is 0, 1. 0, 1. Here x is 0 and y is 1. Y is 1. So this is 0, 1. This is 0, 1. Okay. Right. Second one, x equal to pi by 2 and y equal to 0. Pi by 2, 0. Pi by 2, 0 is this point. Pi by 2, 0. Right. Next, x equal to pi and y equal to minus 1. So pi, minus 1. Pi, minus, x is pi and y is equal to minus. So below x axis, this is pi, minus 1. This is pi, minus 1. Next, x equal to 3 pi by 2 and y equal to 0. So 3 pi by 2, 0. 3 pi by 2, 0. Next, 2 pi. 2 pi, cos 2 pi is equal to 1. So 2 pi, x equal to 2 pi and y equal to 1. So this point, 2 pi, 1. 2 pi, 1. Joining these points. Okay, right. This is y equal to cos x curve. Y equal to cos x curve. Cos 0, 1, so 0, comma 1. Cos pi by 2, 0, so pi by 2, comma 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1, so minus 1, pi comma minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0, so 3 pi by 2, comma 0 this point. And cos 2 pi is plus 1, so 2 pi comma plus 1. 2 pi comma plus 1. This is y equal to cos x curve. In one complete rotation, 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. This is one complete rotation. The curve y equal to cos x is this. Okay, right. Next, cos minus pi by 2. Cos of minus pi by 2, 0. So pi minus pi by 2, comma 0. Minus pi by 2, comma 0. Cos minus pi. Cos minus pi. Cos minus pi is minus 1. So minus pi, comma minus 1. Next, cos minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. So minus 3 pi by 2, comma 0. Next, cos minus 2 pi. Cos minus 2 pi is always 1. So cos minus 2 pi 1. So minus 2 pi, comma 1. This point. Joining these points. Okay, this is y equal to cos x curve. This is y equal to cos x curve. Okay, right. Next, third one, y equal to tan x. Y equal to tan x. One more information here, same as a range of this function cos x is minus 1 to plus 1 only. A range of this function cos x is minus 1 to plus 1. Domain is x is belongs to R. Domain, that is for all real numbers, set of all real numbers. Okay, right. Third one, y equal to tan x. Y equal to tan x. Same measurement, x equal 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. That is one complete rotation. Right, x equal to 0, substitute in y equal to tan x. So x equal to 0, then y value is tan 0, 0, and x equal to pi by 2, x equal to pi by 2, then y is equal to tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 is not defined, not defined, not defined, that is infinite. Okay, right. Next, x equal to pi, x equal to pi, x equal to pi, then y is equal to tan pi is 0, tan pi is 0, and x equal to 3 pi by 2, x equal to 3 pi by 2, then tan 3 pi by 2, tan 3 pi by 2, infinite, that is not defined, not defined. Next, x equal to 2 pi, then y equal to tan 2 pi, tan 2 pi value is 0, tan 2 pi value is 0. Plot the points at x axis and y axis. Take x and y axis, 0, 0, 0, 0, pi by 2, and pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 0. Next, minus pi by 2, and minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and so on, etc. Okay, right. Y is taken 1, 2, 3, so on, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right. X equal to 0, then y equal to 0. So the coordinate point is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is this point, 0, 0. Okay, right. Next, pi by 2 and not defined, pi by 2 and not defined. X equal to pi by 2, this curve y equal to tan x is does not exist, that is not defined, not defined. Okay, next, pi equal to x equal to pi, then tan pi is equal to 0. Tan pi is equal to 0, this point. Tan pi equal to 0. Next, x equal 3 pi by 2 and y is equal to tan 3 by 2 is always not defined. Not defined means infinite. Infinite. Okay, right. Next, x equal to 2 pi, x equal to 2 pi and y equal to tan 2 pi. Y equal to tan 2 pi. Tan 2 pi is 0. Tan 2 pi comma 0. 2 pi comma 0. Tan of minus pi by 2, sir, is always infinite, sir. Not defined. Tan pi is minus pi, sir, 0. Tan pi is 0. Tan pi 0 is same. Tan minus pi is 0. Tan of minus 3 by 2 is always not defined. Okay. First of one, the curve is y equal tan x curve is passes through 0 comma 0. Passes through 0 comma 0. Okay, right. This is y equal to tan x curve. This is y equal to tan x curve. Here the curve is passes through 0 comma 0 and x equal pi by 2 and tan x is not defined. And 3 pi by 2 tan x is not defined. Minus pi by 2 tan x is not defined. Minus 3 pi by 2 tan x is not defined. The curve is does not meet at x equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. X equal to odd multiple of pi by 2. This is a tan x curve. Okay. Here domain. So domain is x is belongs to R except odd multiple of pi by 2. And range is always x is belongs to, sorry, y is belongs to R. Y is belongs to R mean set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Okay, right. Next, fourth one, y equal to cosecant x. Y equal to cosecant x. First, you can take x equal to 0 to 2 pi, 0, x equal to 0, then cosecant 0 value, sin 0, 0, sin 0, 0, then cosecant 0 is not defined, that is infinite, okay, that is infinite. Cosecant pi by 2, sin pi by 2, 1, a reciprocal of sin pi by 2, 1. Okay, cosecant pi is equal to, cosecant pi is not defined. What's that? Sin pi answer, you know, sin pi is 0, so cosecant pi is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Okay, right. Next, cosecant 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Cosecant 3 pi by 2 minus 1 and cosecant 2 pi. Cosecant 2 pi. You know, sin 2 pi is equal to, sin 2 pi is 0. Sin 2 pi is 0. Then cosecant 2 pi is 1 by 0. 1 by 0, that is infinite. That is infinite. Infinite means not defined. Not defined. Okay, right. Take x and y axis. X axis and y axis. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Next, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. Okay, right. Let x equal to 0, y is not defined. Y is not defined. This point, x equal to 0, y is not defined. And x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2, y equal to 1. So x equal to pi by 2, y equal to 1, y is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Right. X equal to pi by 2, pi by 2 comma 1. So pi by 2 comma 1, this point. is pi by 2 comma 1. This point is pi by 2 comma 1. Next, x equal pi is not defined, so no answer. Next, x equal 3 pi by 2, so y equal to minus 1. So 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1. 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1. This point. 3 pi by 2 comma minus 1. Next, cosecant 2 pi is not defined. No answer. Okay, right. Cosecant 2 pi. Right. Draw the graph joining the points. First point is pi by 2 comma 0. Pi by 2 comma 0. This is cosecant x curve. This curve does not meet at x equal to pi. Why? Sir, x equal to pi, then y is not defined. Y is not defined. Here x equal to 0, y is not defined. So this curve does not meet at x equal to 0 and x equal to pi and x equal to 2 pi and x equal to minus pi, x equal minus 2 pi and so on, etc. Okay, right. Same as minus pi by 2. Cosecant of minus pi by 2, minus 1. So this curve is, this is cosecant x curve. Right. This is cosecant x curve, y equal to cosecant x curve. Here, a domain of y equal cosecant x. Domain of y equal to cosecant x. X is blanks to or minus n pi. N is blanks to z. Y is minus n pi. Sin n pi is 0. Sin n pi is 0. Then cosecant n pi is always not defined. Cosecant n pi is always not defined. So x is blanks to or except n pi terms. Except n pi terms. That is 0 pi, 0, n equal to 1, 1 pi, and n equal to 2 pi, and n equal to minus 1, minus pi, and n equal to minus 2, minus 2 pi. That is not defined. So x is blanks to or minus n pi. X is blanks to or minus n pi. The range of this curve y equal cosecant x. Range of this curve y equal to cosecant x. Cosecant x is greater than or equal to 1 and cosecant x is less than or equal to minus 1. Greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to minus 1. This is range. Greater than or equal to 1, above 1, and less than or equal to minus 1, below minus 1. Okay, that is range. Right. Next one. Fifth one curve y equal to secant x. Y equal to secant x. Let us take first complete rotation x equal 0 to 2 pi. X equal to 0 to 2 pi. So x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Then y equal to secant 0. How do you know? Cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Secant x curve is a reciprocal of cos x. Secant x curve is reciprocal of cos x. So cos 0 1, then secant 0 is 1 by 1 1. Right. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Then secant pi by 2, a reciprocal of 0 is infinite. That is not defined. That is not defined. Next, x equal to pi. Cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. Then secant pi is reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. At x equal to 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. At the last class, cos 3 pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 and so on, etc. That is, odd multiple of pi by 2 terms are all 0 in cos x function. So cos pi by 2 0, then cos 3 pi by 2 0. So secant 3 pi by 2 is 1 by 0 infinite. 1 by 0 infinite. And cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi answer 1. Then secant 2 pi 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, right. First of all, let's x axis and y axis. 0, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. X minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 2 pi, minus 2 pi. So y equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Okay, right. First of all, x equal to 0. X equal to 0. When x equal to 0, then the y value is 1. So 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, x is 0 and y is 1. This is 0, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. Next, x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2 and y is infinite. Y is infinite. Y is infinite. That means x equal to pi by 2. Y is infinite is no answer. So next, third one, x equal to pi and y equal to minus 1. So x equal to pi and y equal to minus 1. This point is pi by 2, pi, minus 1. Pi, minus 1. Next, 3 pi by 2 is not defined. Okay, no answer. Next, last one, 2 pi. Let's take x equal to 2 pi and y equal to 1. So 2 pi, 1. 2 pi, 1. 2 pi and plus 1. This is plus 2 pi, plus 1. 2 pi, plus 1. 0, 1 and pi, minus 1 and 2 pi. Here x equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2, y is not defined. Y is not defined. Okay, right. So one second. Right. Here the points 0, coordinate points 0, 1 and pi, minus 1. This is 0, 1 and pi, minus 1. Next one 2 pi, 1. 2 pi, plus 1. Here x equal to pi by 2. This curve y equals secant x is not defined. So the curve does not meet at x equal to pi by 2 and the odd multiple of pi by 2. So the curve is on 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay. This is the curve tracing of y equals secant x. Y equal to secant x. Here secant of minus pi, sir. Secant of minus pi. Secant of minus pi is minus 1. Secant of minus pi is minus 1. This is minus pi, 1. So the curve does not meet at x equal to minus 3 pi by 2 and x equal to pi by 2. Okay, this is y equals secant x curve. Y equal to secant x curve. Here, domain of secant x. Domain of secant x. Domain of secant x is x is blanks to or minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n is blanks to z. Here, odd multiple of pi by 2, then secant value is not defined. Not defined. So, x is blanks to or except odd multiple of pi by 2. Okay. Then range of this curve is x, y is blanks to or. Set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Okay, right. Next, last one, y equal to cot x. Y equal to cot x. us take x equals same as 0 to 2 pi. Then find the value of y. X equals 0, then y is cot 0. You know tan 0 is 0. Tan 0 is 0. Then cot 0, reciprocal of 0 is infinite. Infinite. That is not defined. Not defined. Okay. And x equal to pi by 2. Then y is cot pi by 2. Y is equal to cot pi by 2. You know tan pi by 2 is not defined. Not defined. That is infinite. Then cot pi by 2 is reciprocal of infinite. Is 0. Is 0. Okay, right. X equal to pi. X equal to pi. Then cot pi is equal to cot pi value. Tan pi is 0. You know tan pi is 0. Then cot pi is reciprocal of 0. Reciprocal of 0. So infinite. So infinite. Next, x equal to 3 pi by 2. X equal to 3 pi by 2. Then tan pi by 2 is tan 3 pi by 2 is infinite. Then cot pi by 2, a reciprocal of infinite is 0. Is 0. Okay. Next, tan 2 pi value is 0. You know tan 2 pi value is 0. Then cot 2 pi is a reciprocal of this value. So reciprocal of 0 is infinite. Infinite, that is not defined. It is not defined. Right. Plot this point. Draw the curve. Y equal cot x. X-axis on y-axis. 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and 2 pi. Right. Minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi. Right. X equals 0 is not defined. So the curve does not meet at x equals 0. Okay. Next, x equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. Then y equal to 0. And pi by 2 comma 0. This point is pi by 2 comma 0. Okay. Next, x equal to pi. Then y is not defined. X equal to pi, then y is not defined. So this curve is not meet at x equal to pi. Does not meet at x equal to pi. Next, x equal to 3 pi by 2, y is 0. So cot 3 pi by 2 is 0. 3 pi by 2 comma 0. This point. Next, x equal to 2 pi. X equal to 2 pi. Y is not defined. So same as this curve does not meet at x equal to 2 pi. Right. Now draw the curve. This is y equal cot x. This is y equal to cot x. This curve passes through pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 and so on etc. Odd multiple of 3 pi by 2. Odd multiple of 3 pi by 2. This is the curve of y equal cot x. Y equal to cot x. Here a domain of cot x. Domain of cot x is x is belongs to or minus n pi. Minus n pi, n is belongs to z. This is domain of cot x. Next, the range of this function is a range. A range is y is belongs to or set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Okay, right. Next. Okay, students. Exercise number 3.2. Exercise number 3.2. Take the book. Page number 63. Page number 63. Exercise 3.2. First question. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Other 5 trigonometric functions in following questions. First one. Cos x. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. First question, find the value of other 5 trigonometric function and given information is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in third quadrant. Right. One trigonometric ratio cos x is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. We have need other 5 trigonometric ratio value. Other 5 trigonometric ratio value in third quadrant. Third quadrant. Okay, right. We know that sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. Sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. Then sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. Sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. We know that cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. And we have substitute cos squared x. Cos squared x minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Minus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. Right. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So sin squared x is equal to 1 by 2. Then sin x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Plus or minus 1 by root 2. Here x lies between third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. So sin x is here x lies in third quadrant. So sin x is less than 0. Sin x is negative. Sin x is negative. So sin x equal to minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2. Right? Cos x equal minus 1 by 2 and sin x equal to minus 1 by root 2. Right? Next tan x. You know that tan x equal to sin x divided by cos x. Sin x divided by cos x. And sin x value is minus 1 by root 2 and cos x value is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus minus cancel. So 1 by root 2 into 2 by 1. Into 2 by 1. So root 2. So tan x is equal to root 2. Tan x equal to root. Right. First one cos x given information cos x equal minus 1 by 2. Find sin x and tan x. Next other trigonometric ratios are a reciprocal of cos x and reciprocal of sin x and reciprocal of tan x. So cosecant x is equal to 1 by sin x. 1 by sin x. So 1 by sin x value here minus 1 by root 2. So 1 by minus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus root 2. Cosecant x value is minus root 2. Cosecant x is minus root 2. Okay. Right. Next secant x. Secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. 1 by cos x. Here cos x value is minus 1 by 2. The reciprocal of minus 1 by 2 is minus 2. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 2 is minus 2. So secant x is minus 2. Secant x is minus 2. Next last one cot x. We know that cot x is a reciprocal of tan x. Cot x is reciprocal of tan x. So 1 by tan x. Here tan x value is root 2. So cot x is equal to 1 by root 2. Cot x equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Right. Listen. First of all, given information cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, x is lies in third quadrant. Then find other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios, sin, tan, secant, cosecant and cot. So we know that sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. This formula is written as sin squared x equal to 1 minus cos squared x. So cos x value is no. So minus 1 by 2 substitute. Then find sin x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. But here x is lies third quadrant. X is lies in third quadrant. So sin x is negative value. So sin, let us take sin x is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Sin x equal to minus 1 by root 2. Right, next tan x formula, tan x equals sin x by cos x. So sin x value divided by cos x value, we have tan x is equal to root 2. Next cosecant x and secant x, cot x, the reciprocal of 3 trigonometric ratios. Okay, right. Next second one question, sin x equal to 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant. Second one question, sin x equal to sin x is equal to 3 by 5. Sin x equal to 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant. Same method you can solve. This question is homework. Okay, right. Next one, third question. Third question is cot x. Cot x equal to 3 by 4. Third question, cot x equal to 3 by 4. X lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. Right, same method. So different one formula. You know that cosecant squared x minus cot squared x equal to 1. Cosecant squared x minus cot squared x equal to 1. Here given information is cot x value. Given information is cot x value. Then find cosecant x value. You know that cosecant squared x minus cot squared x equal to 1. You know that cosecant squared x minus cot squared x equal to 1. Here written as cosecant squared x is equal to 1 plus cot squared x. 1 plus cot squared x. Here 1 plus cot squared x. Here cot x value is no. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4 the whole square. 3 by 4 the whole square. 1 plus 3 squared 9. 4 squared 16. Equal to 16 into 1, 16 plus 9, 25 divided by 16. Cosecant squared x. Cosecant squared x. Cosecant squared x is equal to 25 by 16. Then cosecant x is equal to root of 20 plus or minus 5 by 4. Plus or minus 5 by 4. But here x lies in third quadrant. Here x lies in third quadrant. So cosecant x value is negative. Cosecant x value is negative. So less than 0. Therefore cosecant x value is minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Right. Next sin x value is, you know that sin x equal 1 by cosecant x. 1 by cosecant x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Sin x value is minus 4 by 5. Right. Next one. Cot x is 3 by 4. Cot x is 3 by 4. Then tan x value. Tan x equal to 1 by cot x. 1 by cot x. Right. 1 by cot x. Cot x value is 3 by 4. So the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So tan x is equal to 4 by 3. Tan x equal to 4 by 3. We have any other two trigonometric ratios, cos x and secant x. Cos x and secant x. Right. Here tan x is sin x by cos x. Sin x divided by cos x is equal to 4 by 3. Here sin x value is minus 4 by 5. Sin x value is minus 4 by 5. Substitute minus 4 by 5 divided by cos x equal to 4 by 3. Then cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 4 4 cancel. So cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5. Cos x equal to minus 3 by 5, which implies cos x is minus 3 by 5, then secant x is 1 by cos x. So minus 5 by 3. Secant x value is minus 5 by 3. Given information, cot x value, cot x is 3 by 5. We know that cosecant squared x minus cot squared x equal to 1. This formula written as cosecant squared is equal to 1 plus cot squared x, 1 plus cot squared x. Here cot value is 3 by 4, so substitute 3 by 4 the whole squared is 9 by 16, plus 1 is 25 by 16. So cosecant squared value is 25 by 16. Then cosecant x value is plus or minus 5 by 4. But here given information, x lies in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. The third quadrant, cosecant value is negative. Cosecant value is negative. That is less than 0. So cosecant value minus 5 by 4. Cosecant value is minus 5 by 4. Next one, sin x value is one of reciprocal of cosecant x. So sin x is 1 by cosecant x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Equal to minus 4 by 5. So sin x value minus 4 by 5. Next, tan x equal to 1 by cot x. Cot x value is given information 3 by 4. So reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. We know that tan x is sin by cos. So sin x value is known minus 4 by 5. And tan x value is known 4 by 3. Then find cos x value. Okay. Next, cos x. Secant x is reciprocal of cos x value. So cos x is minus 3 by 5. Then secant x is minus 5 by 3. That's all. Okay, very simple. Next question. Fourth question. Next one. Fourth question is secant x. Secant x equal to 13 divided by 5. X lies in fourth quadrant. X lies in fourth quadrant. Right. Find other trigonometric ratios. Given information, secant x value. Then find other trigonometric ratios. Other 5 trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosecant, and cot value. Right. First of all, given information is secant x value. Secant x is 13 divided by 5. We know that secant squared x minus tan squared x is equal to 1. Secant squared x minus tan squared x equal to 1. Is written as secant squared x is equal to 1 plus tan squared x. 1 plus tan squared x. Okay. Then tan squared x is equal to secant squared x minus 1. Secant squared x minus 1. Here secant squared value is known 13 divided by 5 the whole square minus 1. 13 squared is 169 divided by 25 minus 1. So tan squared x equal to 169 divided by 25 minus 1 is equal to 169. 25 minus 1 minus 20. 169 minus 25 is 144. 144 divided by 25. Right. And tan x value is plus or minus 12 by 5. Plus or minus 12 by 5. Right. Next. Here, given information, x is lies in fourth quadrant. X is lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. Therefore, tan x value is negative. In fourth quadrant, tan x value is negative. Tan x is less than 0. Therefore, tan x is equal to minus 12 by 5. Minus 12 by 5. Right. Next. Given information, secant x is 13 by 5. Then cos x is equal to reciprocal of secant x value. Reciprocal of secant x value. 5 by 13. So cos x is 5 by 13. Right. Tan x is minus 12 by 5. Which implies cot x is a reciprocal of tan x. So minus 5 by 12. Minus 5 by 12. Right. Next, other two trigonometric ratios, sine and cosecant. Sine and cosecant. You know that tan x is sine x by cos x equal minus 12 by 5. Here sine x values don't know. So cos x value is 5 by 13 and tan x value is minus 12 by 5. So sin x is equal to minus 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5 into 13 divided by 5 into 13 divided by 5. Right. Sorry, denominator. So 5 by 30. Right. 5 cancel. So minus 12 by 30. Minus 12 by 30. Sin x value is minus 12 by 30. Sin x value is minus 12 by 30. Which implies cosecant value. Cosecant x is 1 by sin x. Reciprocal of sin x. So here sin x value is minus 12 by 13. So cosecant x value is minus 13 divided by 12. Minus 13 divided by 12. That's it. Okay. Right. Given information secant x value, you can find tan x. Tan x is minus 12 by 5 and cos x, sin x and cosecant x. That's all. Very simple. Right. Next. Fifth one question. Tan x equal minus 5 by 12, x lies in second quadrant. So same method, same formula. Okay. Fifth question is homework. Next, sixth one. Find the value of trigonometric function. The following question 6.1. Sine 765 degree. Sine 765 degree. Find the value of sine 765 degree. Right, find the value of sine 765 degree. You know sine 2 pi plus x is equal to sine x. Sine 2 pi plus x equal to sine x. Right, here sine 765 degree is equal to sine 2 into 360. 2 into 360, that is 720. That is 720. Plus 45 degree. 2 into 360 plus 45. 2 into 360 plus 2 into 360 is 720 plus 45 is 765. Here sine 2 pi plus x is sine x. Here sine 2 pi. 2 pi into 2 na 4 pi. 4 pi plus 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is equal to sine 45 degree. This formula. Okay, sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. That's all. Next, seventh one question. Cosecant minus 1410 minus 1410 degree. Minus 1410 degree. Right. Is equal to. Is written as cosecant value. 1410 degree is written as minus 1410 degree. 1410 degree plus 4 into 360 degree. 4 into 360 degree. 4 into 360 value. 4 into 360 degree value. 1440. 1440. That is 4 complete rotation. That is 4 complete rotation. Plus theta is cosecant theta. So cosecant minus 1410 degree plus 4 into 360 degrees 1440 degree. 1440 degree is equal to cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree. இப்போ cosecant 30 degree value is sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Then cosecant 30 degree is 2. Cosecant 30 degree is 2. Therefore, cosecant minus 1410 degree is equal to 2. Equal to 2. Right. Next. Eighth one question. Tan 19 pi by 3. Tan 19 pi by 3. Okay. Right. Tan 19 pi by 3 written as tan of 19. 6 3s are 18. So 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 pi, 19 pi by 3. This 19 pi by 3 is written as 6 pi plus pi by 3. 19 pi by 3 is written as 6 pi plus pi by 3. Right. Tan 6 pi plus pi by 3 is equal to tan pi by 3. Since tan 2 pi plus x is equal to tan x. 2 pi or n to n pi plus x is equal to tan x. So tan 6 pi plus pi by 3 is tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 value root 3. Tan pi by 3 value is root 3. So tan 19 pi by 3 is equal to root 3. 19 pi by 3 is equal to root 3. Right. Next. Ninth one question. Sin minus 11 pi by 3. Sin of minus 11 pi by 3. Minus 11 pi by 3. Right. The sin of minus 11 pi by 3 is written as sin of minus 11 pi by 3. Minus 11 pi by 3 plus 4 pi. Plus 4 pi. 4 pi is 2 complete rotation. 4 pi plus theta is theta, sin theta. Sin of 4 pi plus theta is sin theta. So sin minus 11 pi by 3 is written as sin of minus 11 pi by 3 plus 4 pi. Right. Is equal to 4 pi plus 3, 12 pi. 12 pi minus 11 pi. Sin of 4 into 3, 12. 12 pi minus 11 pi divided by 3. So sin 12 minus 11 pi, 1 pi by 3. So sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So sin minus 11 pi by 3 is equal value is root 3 by 2. Please, last one, cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Cot of minus 15 pi by 4. Similarly, you can solve this type. Okay, last question is homework. Now another one, example 6, 7, 8, 9 and exercise 5, 10 and second are all homework. Okay. Right, next class. Okay, bye.